Hello and welcome to Excalibur. In this video, I will show you how you can create buttons on Google Sheets and then use macros and attach these macros to these buttons and run the script using these buttons. Okay, so let's get started. So I have a sample sheet where I have some numbers and quantities of materials, and I have written a macro that sums these quantities. So first I'll run this. So I go to Tools, Macros, and this is a pre-recorded macro that I've created which is called sum. If I click this, it'll run the script and the sum is generated, right? So this is based on this button, and we have to always go like this and run the macro. But now I'll show you the way how we can do it on a button click and how to configure this kind of a button. To know how to record and generate macros like these, see my other video, Automate Google Sheets. Alright, so for inserting a button, we'll go here, and here we have option to insert image in cell or image over cells. So we will choose image over cells so that we can upload, or you can use camera, or we can specify a URL, use photos, use Google Drive or image search. So there are various possibilities from which we can get the image of that button. Let's try with the Google image search. We'll type in button and we get different kinds of images for buttons. So let's pick any one of them and click on insert. Now once we insert this, we can configure it to the proper position and proper size. Okay, and now to attach the script to this button, we'll click on these three dots, and here we have an option which says assign script. So click on assign script, and here you have to type the name of the script that you have created. So my script name was sum, and click on OK, and this script is assigned. So you see at the moment sum is empty. Now when I click on this button, the script is running and I get the answer as 562. Now there is another way by which you can use the buttons. In this case, we'll go to insert, we'll go to drawing, and here you have the possibility to create your own customized buttons if you don't want to use a particular image. So you can take up any shape, for example this one. Okay, then you could define various colors as per your choice. For example this, you can write some text here. Then maybe you can increase the font a little bit like this. Okay, and position it as required, and this is the way you've created your own button. Click on save and close, and this is the image. Now place it here. Here also we have these three dots. We click here, go to assign script, type in sum, the name of the script, click on OK, and the script is assigned. Now when you click on this button, you'll see you get the result. So by this way you can use buttons, and in the backend you can assign the scripts or macros that you have already generated. Okay, so I hope this video will be helpful for your work. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel Excalibur. Thank you very much.